Hi everyone, in front of me I've got OPPO Find X5 Pro, and let me share with you how to enable the night light or eye comfort mode. So first of all, I'll show you how to customize this mode, and after that much faster access to it. So let's begin with opening the settings, and here we have to find the display and brightness option. Let's tap. Now let's scroll down a little bit to find eye comfort. Let's tap on it, and as you can see, before we will be able to actually customize it, we have to turn it on. So let's tap on the switcher right here, and as you can see, the screen turns a little bit yellowish or amber, and it is in order to filter the blue light. What's more, it will be much easier for you to look at the screen at the dim light. So that's quite cool option, quite cool mode. And as you can see, after turning it off, some options appeared. So first of all, we've got the switcher, which will allow us to change the intensity of that feature by going to the left, and we can make it much cooler. And as you can see right now, we've got the switcher on this position, and by going to the right, we can make it much warmer. It's almost orangish. I'm not really sure if you can see it on the camera. As I can see on the preview, it's not as orange as it is in real life, so trust me, it's very orange. And of course, you can set it just like you want to, and just pick the option which is the most comfortable for you. Under it, we've got the display effect. So we've got the colors or the black and white. Currently, we've got the color, which means that, of course, the screen will change into this yellowish tones, but the colors will be kept. So, for example, as you can see on the switcher, we've got still the green color, and after picking the black and white color, everything will be displayed in monochromatic effect, of course, only in black, white and gray colors, as you can see on the switcher. So it's of course up to you again which option you like to use the most. I will pick the color. What's more, we can schedule that feature, and that's also quite a cool option, because normally you will have to turn on and off the eye comfort mode manually, but after tapping on schedule, you will be able to custom the time. And as you can see, you can freely pick the turn on time. So let me pick, for example, it can be 6 o'clock, safe, and I forgot to set the turn off, but it can be at 7. And as you can see, the device immediately got back to its normal state, so the screen is in its normal colors. It is of course because we are not between the start and end time. But let me keep this option turned on and off the schedule, and basically this is the whole customization of the eye comfort mode. And now we can find much faster access to this feature. All you have to do is to simply unroll the top bar and unroll it fully, as you can see, and here we've got the eye comfort icon, which is right now turned on. If you'd like to turn it off, just tap on it and the screen will immediately go back to its normal state. And of course you can turn it on the same way from this level. So actually this is it. This is how to enable the eye comfort mode in your OPPO Find X5 Pro. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.